Looking at the GPS, we've got a major little ribbon across here, so let's have a, see how major it is. Speed up to 80, it says. And there's some water in there in the boat. And this is Jundah. A fair sized little town. Hospital, 1.1 kilometres to the left. Longreach to the left. Quilpie to the left. Caravan park to the left. Coffee. Well, not a bad little joint. Oh, that was interesting. A little store there. Classic old school store. Apparently it's about to be knocked over and replaced with something more modern. Council owns the stores, apparently runs most of the businesses in town. And yeah, what a beautiful little store it was. So we got a few photos of that inside. Yep, park the car underneath, that's the way. Open garages. Caravan park over there. Longreach is behind me. Okay, let's take a little run around the block the other way. Service station going in by the looks of things. So Jundah is undergoing some upgrades. Hospital to the right, and the golf club. The dump point.